this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over SHIBA INU. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Today on my channel, I want to share how to set up and receive payments in SHIB using Nowpayments.io. If y'all not aware, SHIBA has partnered with Nowpayments in order to receive payments in SHIB on Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, and any other website you build that you can integrate a payment button within. You can accept SHIBA as payment. And today on this video, I just want to explain how to set this up with Nowpayments.io. I went ahead and I created my Nowpayments account and I started the process. So I just want to explain how to set this up for your website if you have Shopify, WooCommerce, how to get the API token to integrate SHIB on your website. Now, first thing you have to do is set up an account on Nowpayments.io. I have a direct link in the description of this video so y'all can sign up. If you're interested in this, you can sign up and start accepting crypto payments today. So once you sign up on Nowpayments, you will see the dashboard. It looks like this, right? On this dashboard, you can track the payments for the day, the week, the month, and all time, right? You'll be able to see all of your transaction history right on this dashboard, right? Also track all of the different payments, the amounts you receive, and the payments tab. But in order to set everything up, you have to go down to store settings, right? And the first thing you want to do in store settings is create an API key, right? And this is used to monitor the creation of all payments on your website through your checkout, whether that's on Shopify, on WooCommerce, on WordPress, using the plugins. However you integrate the SHIB app, the SHIB pay button, right, through Nowpayments, this will track it using this API token, right? And if you ever want to create another API token, you always can with another SHIBA wallet for another website. You can always do that using this service. If y'all know about API tokens, I talked about them before on my page. So it basically grants access for a website or action to be performed on the internet. So when we scroll down, after you create the API token, right, if y'all need further help, you can click on API documentation right here, and it'll bring you to this page where it can show you how to set it up within the workflow and how to authenticate it and everything. But basically, you just need your API token and you need to set up your outcome wallet. Now, the outcome wallet, you of course will have to be a SHIB receiving address. You can find your SHIB receiving wallet address on Coinbase, eToro, Webull, Voyager, Crypto.com, Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, wherever you buy and store your SHIB at, right? Just as you can buy it, you should be able to receive it, right? So it should be a button within the Coinbase, within eToro, within Webull. It's always a button to receive the SHIB, and there you would go there to receive SHIB, and you would copy that address and you would paste it here for the outcome wallet. Now you need the outcome wallet attached in order to receive the SHIB payment once the transaction occurs, right? We scroll down, you can change the base currency, right, that you receive your SHIB in, depending on the country you in. So right now we in the United States, so we're gonna leave it on USD, but you can see all of the different countries Nowpayment is compatible with, that y'all can go and you can accept SHIBA if you in all of these different countries, right? Next, we have instant payment notifications, secret key, so you can get the instant payment notifications whenever a payment happens through your SHIB API. So make sure you create your secret key and generate that, right? Next, in the payment settings, you can customize this within Nowpayments. This is not necessary, but you can customize your payments. For example, you can add a payment markup whenever somebody buys something. It adds an extra percentage on top of it, and you can add payment covering, right, which will be a percentage that the payment is considered complete. So for example, if it's set to 5% and the item is priced at 100% and it can't be fully completed within the cryptocurrency transfer time and it's only worth $95, it will go through. And y'all know whenever you send in cryptocurrency in real time, the price can always be changing, right? The price is always changing in real time. So, you know, you want to maybe set up a payment covering. You can do this if you want to. It's not necessary, right? If we go down here, you can create your own point of sale terminal link, right? So using the API, you can easily set up your own point of sale terminal link, right? And you see I already have mine set up here. Once you save that, right? And if we go to this, I want to just show y'all what it looks like. The point of sale terminal. Now we got the Nowpayments point of sale, right? You can enter in the amount $20. Then here you would search for SHIB, and here you would be able to pay using SHIB, right? Now sometimes it glitches. Hold on, let's say 200. Yeah, and normally when it does it correctly, it'll show the price of SHIB at the bottom. Then you can continue, you know, to complete the order, right? Using a QR code, sending it to that address. So that's how the point of sales terminal will work within Nowpayments. You can also set up a donation link too. This is the one I really like. You know, you set up the donation link, you select the API you're using, the donation link URL, the ending of it, and it's a couple fields you can add, you know, for your clients or customers or supporters to fill out, right? Like an email, a phone number, a name, social link, or the address. You can either show it and require it, or you can just show it, you know, for them to enter in optionally. So on my form, I have the email, phone number, and a social link, and it's optional, right? And once you save that, you can copy that. And if we go to see how that looks, right, you can see this is the donation page, right, for Nowpayments, and you can just search SHIB, right? And the minimum amount, it looks like, is 2 million SHIB, right? 2 million SHIB is the minimum amount you can send right now. So yeah, that's how you set up SHIBA INU Nowpayments, how to integrate it. You can integrate it a couple different ways. You can have a donation link, you can have a point of sale terminal link, you can also integrate the API yourself on Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, any website that you have built. You can integrate the API yourself to accept SHIBA as payments using Nowpayments. If y'all have any questions, y'all can always click the API documentation and it will explain everything, how to set up the API. But basically all you have to do is create your API key. Make sure you enter in your outcome wallet. Use this API key whenever it asks for it in any checkout or payment portal you're using on Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress. You know, you would enter in the API, so it's tracking every payment that's completed, right? You want to enter in your outcome wallet, so when the payments are completed, they sent to the correct SHIBA address, right? Once you have that set up, you're pretty much good to go. You can always use the terminal link and a donation link. But yeah, very straightforward, very easy to do. You gotta remember, when you're using this service, you are burning a percentage of SHIB in each transaction. So make sure y'all support Nowpayments. I'll have a link in the description. If y'all wanna check this out, it's your boy Yon World. I'm out, peace.